This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Winters. Hancock Lake home is custom built with a private covered dock protecting a 20+ boat and 2 jet skis. The cul-de-sac lot has a big fenced yard, gardening beds for green thumbs and room for outdoor games and pets. The extended screened patio with outdoor kitchen, cabana bath and a custom salt pool with water slide, mood lights, solar heated spa and whimsical Disney characters embedded in the rock's facade. Relax to lake views, or pull down the projector screen for a movie before Disney's fireworks over the lake begin. The home has a freshly painted exterior and interior. Crown trim throughout. The kitchen space with newer appliances, walk-in pantry, island and informal seating. The first level's primary suite has patio access and was a media room west/surround sound still intact. The loft is equipped for entertaining. Upstairs are 2 suites and 3 other bedrooms and a laundry room. Updated AC systems, patio doors, reinforced exterior balcony railings, and living room/dining room flooring. For more information, review the details below or contact Catherine Winters at 772-692-8839.